So, in today's lesson, we will further practice our reading, and I'm apologizing for the rather bad image quality, but sometimes we do have to work with less than ideal quality stuff. So, this image idea, there we have quite a lot of stuff going on. But don't worry, for us, only two aspects are of importance right now. As you can see, on the right side as well as on the left side, both times towards the middle, we have each one block of hieroglyphs. Here is a little overview of the vocabulary used in those two blocks of hieroglyphs. Now, let us start with the hieroglyph block on the left. As always, first we need to find out from which direction we need to read it from. Here we can look at the fish hieroglyph, which is the only hieroglyph that is a bit harder to see. This looks to the right, thus we are reading right to left. Now, let us go word by word. We are starting on the first line, right to left. Setet remu in. Now, the second line. You already should know that one. Senbi maheru. So, using the vocabulary list and putting it together, we have sparing the fish by Senbi, the justified. And that's it. Now, on to the right hieroglyph block. Here again, we are looking at the birds, but this time, the birds looking to the left. Thus, we have to read left to right. Beginning again with the first line. Amar aperu. Second line. Insenbi maheru. Once again, putting it together, we have throwing at the birds by Senbi, the justified. And once again, that's it already.